Okay, surprise, surprise. We actually do this sneak peek stuff behind the scenes right when we get done buffing and vacuuming the floors, because it gives you a good idea of what the color is going to look like. And this is a ripped and quarter-sawn white oak floor. We have Bona, which is an incredible Nordic seal going on it, which is going to lighten it just a teeny weeny bit. But what happens with this is that we preserve the color, and I wanted to see it in the light because we've got all the lights where they need to be, and you can see it in the kitchen. It's just you know, the same, having the same direction going through the kitchen and into the rooms is just phenomenal. Have a great crew here. Thanks to Tommy and everybody, and Lou and everybody. It's like, wow. So I guess we'll say ciao for now. Fun to show this to the owners.